Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe in a resourceful feeling of calm and relaxation. And as you exhale, feel a gentle sense of relaxation and relief. As any tension starts to feel like it's leaving your body in your outward breath. When you breathe in, start to feel you're breathing in a wonderful sensation of resourceful relaxation. More than just feeling calm and relaxed, you feel more resourceful, more confident, with more self-belief, an overall sense that you could handle whatever life throws at you. Notice that when you breathe in deeper, you tend to breathe out deeper. And that when you breathe in and breathe out deeper and deeper, you start to feel like you're becoming deeper and deeper relaxed. And the more relaxed your body feels, the more your imagination awakens. So take an even deeper breath in. Hold it for a moment and scan your body for any clues of anxiety, worry, any nervousness. Maybe in the chest, maybe in the gut, or maybe a voice of uncertainty. Hold that breath, and then as you breathe out, set an intention to release that worry, release that nervousness. Feel anxiety melting away. As you breathe in and breathe out, use the power of your imagination to think of a place in the world considered dangerous. Maybe an old rundown city, maybe a war zone, or maybe a time in history where there were no police forces or security cameras. And use that power of your imagination to imagine observing that place. In fact, I want you to imagine seeing yourself in a part of the world considered dangerous. But I want you to imagine yourself like you're oozing with confidence and strength, like an action hero, like a warrior, unfazed by the danger. See yourself, perhaps alone, in a part of the world at a time in history known for being dangerous. And maybe the doors don't have locks, and the windows are thin, and the neighborhood is filled with people that may want to cause harm or steal something. And yet, continue to see yourself fearless, strong. See yourself sleeping well, but see yourself willing and able to respond to any danger if necessary. There is a fine line between being fearless and reckless, and you are not observing yourself as someone who is reckless. See yourself in this dangerous place, alone and yet confident, strong, prepared. And I want you to make an evaluation that if it is possible to feel safe and secure in a dangerous place, then doesn't it make it almost effortlessly easy to feel safe and secure in a safe, secure place? I want you to get a sense that in most areas of your life, you don't make choices on the basis that there are no risks. You make choices on the basis that there are low risks. There is a risk every time you drive your car, every time you cross the road, and yet you trust that you will be fine in those situations. I want you to get a sense that you can trust yourself to be alone, to sleep alone, in a safe house, in a safe neighborhood. As you start to see that confident version of you that was confident in a dangerous place, and now observe that version of you in your own home. See yourself confident, strong, safe and secure, but also see yourself enjoying the alone time. See yourself doing things that are self-care, kind to yourself. See yourself doing things you don't normally do, but making the most of that time. And when you're confident that you're seeing yourself looking strong, safe, secure, and relaxed, then step into that version of you, perhaps in the near future, at a time where you'll be alone in the house and yet enjoying that time. Feel how good it would feel to make the most of that time now in your own body. Feel that you were looking forward to it in the days leading up to it. And the moment you make the evaluation that you are now on your own, feel like you're smiling, relishing the moment, enjoying your time. Imagine yourself, perhaps, lying on a couch watching TV, pouring yourself a warm bath. But find a place in that home where you make the evaluation that you're on your own and yet completely relaxed. And in that relaxing place, open your mind to ways of thinking that just reinforce this resourceful state. Notice that you cherish your alone time, viewing it as a wonderful opportunity for self-care and kindness towards yourself. Any worries that arise, are quickly reframed as either low probability or easily resolvable, bringing you instant peace of mind. Notice how you feel safe and secure in your home, knowing that you live in a safe neighborhood with modern security technology. You deserve this alone time, allowing yourself to fully enjoy and appreciate these moments. Your inner dialogue is kind, caring, and nurturing, offering you comfort and support. And notice how any anxious thoughts feel distant. And if they feel close, then send them away, far away, with a low volume and slow pace, while your nurturing voice feels warm and close. And you use this time by yourself to connect deeply with yourself, fostering a sense of inner peace and well-being. Notice that with this alone time, you relax and give permission to pamper yourself, perhaps lighting candles, taking warm baths, and playing soothing music. And maybe you catch up on interesting things to watch, engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Or maybe you find yourself using this time to reach out to friends and family, strengthening your connections through phone or video calls. Because your home is a sanctuary of inner peace, where you feel calm, relaxed, and safe. You find joy in solitude, appreciating the opportunity to focus on your well-being and personal interests. You feel gratitude for living in a safe environment, recognizing how fortunate you are to have a secure home. Your home becomes a nurturing environment, a sanctuary where you can rejuvenate and recharge. A place where you treat yourself with compassion and kindness, giving yourself the care and attention you deserve. And with some thought and planning, notice how easy it is to create a calm and relaxing atmosphere in your home, filled with soothing scents, soft lighting, and peaceful sounds. A place to explore creative activities that bring you joy. Maybe things like reading, writing, or crafting. And notice how you can be mindful that whenever you practice mindfulness, fully experiencing and appreciating each moment of your alone time, it keeps you in the present, not in memories and not in the future, but in the present. A present where you set healthy boundaries to protect your alone time, ensuring it's a priority in your life. And don't be surprised if in the future you start to look forward to these moments of alone time, where you can recharge your batteries, connect with yourself, and do things just for you. And that inner dialogue is a regular supply of positive affirmations to reinforce your sense of worthiness, safety, and well-being, enhancing your overall sense of peace and contentment. And then imagine the alone time finishes. People return, and notice how happy they are to see that you've enjoyed this alone time. They're happy because of your confidence and happiness. And as you hold that thought in mind, take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose. Just wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. As very soon I count from 1 to 10 to awaken you, you will awaken feeling resourceful, confident, calm and relaxed, but more importantly, looking forward to any opportunities to be kind to yourself and to make the most of your own alone time. Starting to count. 1, 2, 3, waking up. 4, 5, 6, more alert. 7, 8, open your eyes. 9, 10, wide awake, wide awake, wide awake.